Yeah, trains are fast, boys, but they named a bus after me! Be baptized, brother, and be gone from here, Satan! You're not extinct! Jurassic Park is real! My name is Cotton, and I'm trotting to a yacht I bought in Scotland, oh yeah. See you dudes later! Sign the Texas Tornado! I've been on Tinder 2 months and haven't been matched with anyone. I'm house-trained, can sit, can shake. I just don't know what I'm doing wrong.
Hi, I'm Ricky. Your blind date.
I wanna go to the dog park! More bark and no bite, huh? Well, how about I just bite your bark then? And I will always love you.
Mom, be honest. Am I adopted?
Sorority picture time. Get over here, Shelly. 3, 2, 1. Phi fetch a slobber. Let me see it before you post it. Not now, Derek. I'm right in the middle of my workout video. Sugar, did you pick up the bone meal? You forgot the bone meal. That's the one thing I needed. I gotta go outside. I gotta get some air.
I'm Dog Sidious.
Wow! Terry, that was incredible! You're gonna nail this audition! Can I get your autograph before you're famous? You think you'll meet Natalie Portman?
I can show you the world.
Yeah!
See, Pete, he sleeps with his feet to his teeth.
You're utterly confused. I have no milk to give.
You thought I was the French bulldog, wee wee.
Hey, Evan, what are you doing in here? Oh, you taking a nap? Okay. Oh, come on, trash. I'm sorry. I made a mistake.
How? You know I'm sensitive about my nails.
Yeah, coyotes are so stupid. Those are your ancestors, Philip.
We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all dogs are created equal, that they are endowed by their master with certain unalienable rights, that among these are treats, chew toys, and the pursuit of belly rubs.
Lo que yo dije fue a esto.
Don't be so one-sided.
Quando o cachorro é super obediente.
Come on.
Oh my God, see, two black guys are having a hard time.
Cheese.
Okay. Oh. I just...
ที่ได้รู้จักมองคุณมานานมันก็เลยอยากทักถ้าไม่ได้เกียร์ก็ยินดีที่จะไปส่งเกินตามมาเลยไม่ต้องทำเป็นงงยังไงคนสวย
哎呀，跑得挺快啊！
And his name is John C.
你别笑。
Gentlemen, I want you to repeat after me, just how I do it. Ready? Your turn. Very good. Ladies. Good golly. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you Mr. Charlie Puth. Huh? 哎呦我的妈！
妈妈的话别让她受伤，让快快让她。
哎呦我的妈！
Come here. Yes, I do want him to come up here. I like him. Okay, sorry. Don't you get those mitts ready for him. You're gonna be nice.
No, use both hands at the same time like this. And bounce. Yeah, no, you're still digging. No, Fendi, 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 Fendi. Like, bounce like this. Like you're punching it. Yeah, 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 yeah. There you go. But like stand up. Like stand up and punch, punch. There you go. Good girl.
Hoş geldin.
No! No!
Ew, she has a hairball in her mouth.
Hey!
Your demise. Get. 哎呦！你别笑。
Oh, no, 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 no.
你别笑。
哇！哇！ Было спокойно. Open the store.
What a good boy.
What is in your mouth?
Dude, clover everywhere.
It's on the edge. Hit it. No, that was the wrong way.
Come on. Put it in the trash.
Sassy.
Catch a fish. Come on.
Ngày vô nhà thương, ngày vô nhà thương, ngày vô nhà anh biết thương. Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình, tình 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 tang tang tình, tang tình 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 tang tang tang. Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết.
Dạ. Tôi đi. Nhiều vừa.
I owed him up.
Huh? No, 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 no.
Wow.
Papa? Not it. Okay, Papa, I'm ready to work out. You're 5 minutes late. Wait, Papa. First exercise. Papa, please. It's called jump the chump. So far, you are the chump. No, not again. Pick up the pace.
No, Jeremy, you can't eat that.
I'm allergic to myself.
There's a massage technique I use on old bags like your mom.
Wake up, Jacob. Help!
You're sleep drowning again.
Help!
Jacob.
Help!
Oh, for fluff's sake.
Help!
Hey, Daryl.
Help!
Throw him in the litter box. Hey, Toby, what are you doing out here?
Oh, just talking to the man upstairs.
Howdy! I am Cornholio.
Terry, I know it's hard, but you gotta sign the divorce papers, bro.
How could she do this to me?
Gotta hype myself up.
Yeah! Did I do it? Dinner's ready. Oh, what the? I'm telling Mom.
No, it was a fly, Gary. Look, there it is. It would have gave you a retriever.
Fast as fluff, boy. Still fast as fluff, boy.
Is there anyone on earth as majestic as me? Oh, my apologies. I just got done bathing. Can you pass it to me through the door?
It's mine.
No, I got it cornered over here.
One step at a time, Bartholomew. Stairs are very treacherous. Okay, Daryl. Where's Kenneth?
Wait up, guys, I'm coming! What kind of hairless kitten is that?
Right, it's time to get back on my New Year's resolutions and burn some of these fat calories. Oh, man, this is exhausting, you know? I just lack the necessary meowtivation.
Breaking news. Meow Mix has filed bankruptcy.
Barbara, call the priest now.
I have a demon.
He's starting to take control.
Shut up and act like a horse.
Talk about my mama again, Derek. Yo, mama. So, sympathy. Try this tuna broth.
Too salty. Ugh, I'm gonna leave this here.
I told him, keep his paws off Darlene.
He's behind me, isn't he? I can feel his breath.
Our entire litter is orange. Sometimes I'll just stir shit up for no reason. Come on, Vicky. Give me a hickey. Did you just take a dump in my yard and try to cover it up?
No.
Don't lie to me, boy!
Fluffing like that?
Yeah, baby, yeah.
I call this one in heat.
Ooh, work it, baby,
Be
yeah.
a dear and bring Papa some more powder for his nose.
I think you already used it all up.
The vertigo!
Now, don't be coy.
I'm not coy! Oh, hot! Who put my cat toy in the meowcrowave? Profit Pie! Yes, sir! If you don't stop dropping turds outside of the communal litter box, I will have to neuter you!
All right, the humans have left the room, so I'm just gonna squeeze in the bowl here, and when they drop in the new goldfish, old Ginger Snap will be waiting. What if they bring back a snapping turtle?
Don't understand how to use this stupid thing!
The trick is to hide in plain sight. Watch as this dog thinks I'm a candle. I will find you, and I will vomit behind your bed.
Terry, do you always get naked to use the bathroom?
Excuse me, sir. Do you have a moment to talk about the Meowsiah? Are they seriously having another quinceanera? Trust me, Kenny. You could totally bring back the Bieber swoop. Please, give me a piece of your pizza.
All around me a familiar face.
Steve, please cover your poop in the litter box. It's disgusting.
Hello, and welcome to Target.
What's the matter? Cat got your tongue?
On Donner, on Blitzen!
Santa Claus is Blaska. You give a whole new meaning to cat on a hot tin roof. Oh, Chase. That feller over there tipping his hat goes by the name Ivan the Terrible. Yeah, him. The one with the crazy eyes.
Don't forget to pay the toll.
Jeremy.
Excuse me. I need to speak to a manager.
Oh, jeez. I don't work here.
I can't reach the fancy feast on aisle 9.
Ain't no fraidy cat, boys. I'm all in.
Poor Brenda was in labor for 20 hours.
Well, it's definitely her baby.
Come now.
There's Tommy.
Hey, what the fluff is going on here? Cassandra, I told you I'm with the cougar now.
哎呀妈呀，大爷的，咬死了！哎呀妈
no, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no, no.
你说对吧，嘟嘟，嘟嘟嘟嘟嘟。Bongo la, bongo cha cha cha. Sayuba, remix. You know I'm gonna get.
Daddy.
Safi hurt my leg. Safi, help.
Don't be a baby, bitch. Shalakadoola, metricaboola, bibbidi bop. Put them together, and what have you got?